Hello students, welcome back to class 6th, subject history, chapter 2. We have learnt that there are no written records for the earliest periods of human society. To determine the presence of human being on earth, the scientists rely on archaeological remains and fossils. On the basis of sources, it has been found that humans evolved from apes. This process of evolution began in Africa millions of years ago. In India, archaeologists have found human remains that are about 5 lakh years old. The evolution of humans. Scientists called this present form of human beings that can walk straight on 2 legs the Homo sapiens. Now, with this brief introduction, let us study the new chapter, that is, from the Stone Age to the River Valley Civilization. The Stone Age was a broad prehistoric period during which stone was used to make implements with an edge, a point, or a hitting surface. The period lasted roughly 4 million years and ended between 8700 BCE and 2000 BCE with the advent of metalworking. The Stone Age can be divided into 3 parts. First one, Paleolithic Age, which means Old Stone Age. Second, Mesolithic Age, which means Middle Stone Age. Third one is Neolithic Age, which means New Stone Age. Now, let us learn about Paleolithic Age or Old Stone Age. In Paleolithic Age, early humans lived in caves or simple huts. They were hunters and gatherers. They used basic stone and bone tools as well as crude stone axes for hunting birds and wild animals. In this age, humans discovered the use of fire and wheel. These were huge steps forward for human race. The end of this period marked the end of the last ice age. This resulted in the extinction of many large mammals and rising sea level and climate change that eventually caused man to migrate. Now, let us study about Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age. The Mesolithic period or Middle Stone Age is an archaeological term describing specific cultures that fall between the Paleolithic Age and Neolithic Age. During this age, humans used small stone tools, polished and sometimes crafted with points and attached to antlers, bone, or wood to serve as spears and arrows. They often lived nomadically in camps near rivers and other bodies of water. Now, let us learn about Neolithic or New Stone Age. The Neolithic Age began around 12,000 BCE and ended as civilization started to rise around 3500 BCE. Humans in Neolithic Age still used stone tools and weapons, but they were starting to enhance their stone tools. There is evidence of initial metallurgy as well and also creating more pottery. The term Neolithic comes from 2 words, neo or neve and lithic or stone. As such, this period is sometimes referred to as the New Stone Age. But what really distinguishes the New Stone Age from Old Stone Age or Paleolithic Age that preceded it is a very important characteristic, that is the key feature of the time period, the invention of agriculture. Now, let us learn about the beginning of civilization. The discovery of metals, human beings gradually moved from Neolithic age into an age of metals. The first metal they learned to use was copper, followed by bronze and iron. Mesopotamia was the first civilization to emerge in human history. The area was set between Tigris and Euphrates River and lies between Asia Minor and the Persian Gulf. The region is known for its fertile agriculture land. The civilization dates back to 10,000 BCE when people around the area found the concept of agriculture and began domesticating animals. Mesopotamia gave birth to written literature and several other inventions such as art, culture, and trade. The timeline of the ancient Mesopotamia is estimated to be around 3300 BCE to 750 BCE, with the Babylonians, Sumerians, and Assyrians playing key roles in the civilization. Dear students, in this chapter we have studied Paleolithic or Old Stone Age, Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age, Neolithic or Stone Age, as well as we have studied the beginning of civilization.